Hello there. Google Chrome is one of the most used browsers globally, and here are my top Google Chrome extensions from the Chrome store. 1 tab. This extension is useful in quickly and efficiently closing a large number of tabs at the same time. Here is a demo of how it works. You can also restore several tabs at the same time or choose a specific tab to restore. 2. Video Speed Controller. This Chrome extension is especially good for people who like watching videos at above certain speeds. For instance, I like watching some videos at over 2 times speed, and this extension does this for me. A plus is that it works on almost all sites. Here is a quick demo. Three. Speechify. Speechify is a useful tool that can read out loud any text on the internet. This includes articles and even comments on some social media platforms. Here is a quick demo.
Reading is hard. Listening is easy. Reading is hard. Listening is easy.
Hi, my name is John. Did you know that reading and listening at the same time increases comprehension?
Hi, my name is Mary. I am an English voice from United States.
Hi, my name is Sally.
Hi, my name is Emma. I am an American English voice.
It also offers a wide range of voices to choose from. However, there is a limit on how much you can use HD voices without paying for them. I used my Medium site to demonstrate this. #shameless plug.
Colorism versus beauty, the debate. Arianos. Follow. 1 minute read Sep 1, 2021. 55 I came across an article that made me question how far we have fallen as a society. The article was obviously an opinion piece, but surely.
4. Volume Master. As the name suggests, this one is a master at either decreasing or increasing the volume of videos on most sites online. I mostly use it to increase the volume of videos on YouTube. Here is a quick demo of how it works.
Today, I'd like to teach y'all how to follow through. Because if we look at the world, there are 2 groups of people. There are people who are disciplined, and there are people who are lazy. And the disciplined people have a bunch of willpower, so when they set their mind to something, they kind of focus on it, stick with.
5. Easy Auto Refresh. This is useful for freelancers who work on sites that require you to be fast in bidding for a job. This is because it refreshes the page after a set duration of seconds that is set by the user. I have used it on Upwork to reload the site every few seconds. Here is a demo of how it works. Links to all the extensions are in the description. Thank you for watching.